Hello guys, today I am going to share with you how to change video green background in Adobe Premiere Pro. So I have two video in media panel. First video is green background video and second video is train track video. Now I will change green background of this video. Firstly I will click on this icon, go to effect section and click on video effects. Open keying and I will drag and drop ultra key effect on this video. After that go to effect control. Here is ultra key. Now I will use selection tool. Click on selection tool and click on green background. So this video green background has been removed successfully. Thanks for watching.